What is the drawing line between the having self-respect and superiority complex?
Okay, it's an excellent question. I believe on, I think it's either Thursday night or Friday night, we have a talk about humbleness and arrogance in Islam. SubhanAllah, the teachings of Islam are very clear. It says, be proud, but do not be arrogant. I respect myself, but not at the expense of putting other people down. See, sometimes what we do is that in order for me to have self-respect, I must disrespect somebody else. Islam says, no. In fact, if you have self-respect, you are going to treat other people with respect. So the more self-respect you have, the more self-respect you are, the more respect you are going to give to other people. And that is why when they say, what is justice in Islam? They say you practice the utmost justice. When what? When you give to others every right that you claim for yourself. See this, brothers and sisters? They say justice is giving others every single right that you claim for yourself. Likewise, you say that, I have self-respect. What do? Everything that you claim, you would have to give to other people. So that one time, an argument was taking place between two men. One of them was extremely rude, and the other person was extremely gentle. And the more rude this person got, the gentler that person got. This person is verbally abusing him, calling him all sorts of names, and this person is dealing with him in a very, very gentle manner. So after the argument was over, one came to the other person and said, you know, that person was very rude to you, but you treated him like a gentleman. Why is that? And the person looked at him and he said, I treated him like a gentleman because I am a gentleman. See, what happens is that sometimes people may not come up to the caliber where we are at. We try to pull them to where we are at, or we try to pull them where we are at, but then what happens is that if they don't come up, what happens? Most people will do what? They will go down to where these people are. Now self-respect says that's not the case. Self-respect says you stay where you are. You try to bring other people to where you are, but if they refuse, you do not go down to where they are. So the idea is, whatever, as a person who is a holder of